It is possible to get some very complicated absolute value equations. So on number 3, we do want to split it up, but before we split it up into two branches, I want to isolate the absolute value. So I want to have the absolute value be the only thing that's on that side before I split it up. So there's a couple things I need to worry about before I do that, and that's the 2 and the negative 3. So if I add 3 to both sides, then it's going to give me 14. And if I divide both sides by 2, it's going to give me 7. So now the absolute value is the only thing that's on that side of the equation, which means if you split it up, it's going to be 3x minus 2 is equal to 7, and 3x minus 2 is equal to negative 7. So if I solve these, we get x is equal to 3, and this will be x is equal to negative 5/3. So again, if you want to check your work, you can. If you plug in 3 and negative 5/3 back into the original, they both should work. Okay, let's look at number 5. Now, this one's very interesting because we have the absolute value on the left. The absolute value is the only thing that's on the left. And we have a negative number on the right. And the negative number is the only thing that's on the right. Now, this actually will never happen because an absolute value, whatever you plug into it, it has to make a positive. So if you plug in a positive, it's going to stay positive. If you plug in a negative, it's going to make a positive. So there's no way that I can get this negative here. So this actually tells me to stop. So this can never happen. So this would be no solution. If you want to use the fancy symbol, you can use that too. So there's no number. So this will happen from time to time. So be really careful about these ones.